Hi guys, welcome to a new week full of entertainment stories with me, the AfroGirl. Welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of entertainment and lifestyle in Ghana and across the world. We cannot start our stories without saying a huge congratulations to Samini for successfully completing his 4 years of education at GIMPA. He now holds a degree in project management, and so from all of us here at MX24, congratulations to you, Samini. Also, Davido has shared that he will be bringing his Timeless tour to Ghana in December. So December in Ghana is going to, have a new feel because Davido himself, of course, he's performed a number of times here in Ghana, but this time around is different because he's having his own, show, his own concert. So Davido fans, my goodness, this is it for us. So this December, the place to be is to be in Ghana. Yeah. But guys, moving on, Mr. Drew has finally addressed the backlash he received on social media following his departure from highly spiritual music. During an Instagram live session, he emphasized that he holds no grudges against Kewa and wishes him well. However, he is unsure about Kewa's feelings towards him since they haven't, had direct communication after his exit from the record label. And we have a snippet from the Instagram live, so let's check it out.
We'll be like, okay, me them be okay. I don't know about in them me, bro. Me them be okay. Yeah.
So they under a label.
Yeah, they under a label for 5 years. 5 years. He signed 7 or 8 artists. Them all left. We left. Okay, they left me then. Creamy. Yeah, they left me then Creamy. So we all on our contracts end at the same time.
Right. So you actually serve your time?
Oh yeah. I serve correct. I serve correct.
5 years. So after they left, it was good relationship or?
Yeah, be good. Just say, I don't know, be like, I see some shades where I doubt say it me, cause Charlie, I doubt it be, no. I see some shades where people, they tell me, say, oh, Charlie, your mind be like, they throw you some shade. I'm like, nah, I doubt, because I don't do anything to one way I feel.
So I think he felt the need to address this because it's assay. When Kewa goes to interviews, he's throwing some subtle shades at some of the people that were under him. And he'll be saying that he's left them to God and all of that. So the people that are in the front line, they are Mr. Drew and Last Mid. And even yesterday, that Sunday, I watched an interview where they were asking Last Mid. And even on Friday on the AM Club, we asked Last Mid if, there's any, bad blood between him and KY. And he said, no, they are all cool. So if Mr. Drew is saying he's cool, Last Mid is saying he's cool, I don't know. Who is the shade for? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section. But moving to international news, Cardi B was seen in a video throwing her microphone at an audience member who tossed their drink at the rapper on stage. The video, which began circulating on social media on Saturday, shows the musician surprised when the person in the crowd flung liquid from a cup at her while she was performing. And we have a video of it, so let's see it. You want to play the fool on somebody. It's not, you didn't fight anybody. You didn't fight anybody. You decided to go with Cardi B. It doesn't make any sense to me because Cardi, we all know the type of person she is. If you give it, she will give it to you some. She'll give it to you and add some to it. And I mean, it literally took her becoming a mother to, calm down a bit. But they say that you can take the girl from the street, but you can't take the streets from the girl. You understand? At the end of the day, even up to now, she still sends goons after people. So why would you do that and not expect? You know what would have been surprising? What would have been surprising is if the person did that and then Cardi didn't react. Because that would be, wow, Cardi is growing. But this particular reaction, we all knew. We all expected it. I think you are even lucky. Because anything could have been in that cup. It could have been acid. It could have been anything else. It could have harmed her. But yeah, I think you deserve what you got. But let me know in the comment section, am I the one who is, you know, being some way? Or what do you think? Because anything could have been in that cup. But guys, that's about it for MX Breakz. With me, the AfroGirl. Don't forget to give us a follow at MX24GH for everything entertainment and lifestyle. I'm out.